初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning. How are you?
早上好，你好吗？
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning. How are you?
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
你睡得好吗？
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
Ready for the meeting?
Ready for the meeting?
准备好开会了吗？
Ready for the meeting?
Ready for the meeting?
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
你周末过得怎么样？
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
Have you had lunch yet?
Have you had lunch yet?
你吃午饭了吗？
Have you had lunch yet?
Have you had lunch yet?
See you in the office.
See you in the office.
办公室见。
See you in the office.
See you in the office.
Let's grab coffee later.
Let's grab coffee later.
我们待会儿喝杯咖啡吧。
Let's grab coffee later.
Let's grab coffee later.
It's nice to see you.
It's nice to see you.
很高兴见到你。
It's nice to see you.
It's nice to see you.
I'll be back soon.
I'll be back soon.
我很快就回来。
I'll be back soon.
I'll be back soon.
Talk to you later.
Talk to you later.
待会儿聊。
Talk to you later.
Talk to you later.
What should I do first?
What should I do first?
我应该先做什么？
What should I do first?
What should I do first?
Can you help me here?
Can you help me here?
你能帮我一下吗？
Can you help me here?
Can you help me here?
This task is almost done.
This task is almost done.
这个任务快完成了。
This task is almost done.
This task is almost done.
I finished the report today.
I finished the report today.
我今天完成了报告。
I finished the report today.
I finished the report today.
I'm still working on it.
I'm still working on it.
我还在做这个。
I'm still working on it.
I'm still working on it.
Please check this for me.
Please check this for me.
请帮我检查一下这个。
Please check this for me.
Please check this for me.
I'll email it now.
I'll email it now.
我现在就发邮件。
I'll email it now.
I'll email it now.
The printer isn't working.
The printer isn't working.
打印机坏了。
The printer isn't working.
The printer isn't working.
Let's have a quick chat.
Let's have a quick chat.
我们简单聊一下。
Let's have a quick chat.
Let's have a quick chat.
Can we talk in private?
Can we talk in private?
我们能私下谈谈吗？
Can we talk in private?
Can we talk in private?
The meeting starts at 10.
The meeting starts at 10.
会议10点开始。
The meeting starts at 10.
The meeting starts at 10.
Let's begin the discussion.
Let's begin the discussion.
我们开始讨论吧。
Let's begin the discussion.
Let's begin the discussion.
Can I add something here?
Can I add something here?
我能补充一点吗？
Can I add something here?
Can I add something here?
I agree with your idea.
I agree with your idea.
我同意你的想法。
I agree with your idea.
I agree with your idea.
That's a good point.
That's a good point.
这是个好观点。
That's a good point.
That's a good point.
I have a different opinion.
I have a different opinion.
我有不同的意见。
I have a different opinion.
I have a different opinion.
Let's take a short break.
Let's take a short break.
我们休息一会儿吧。
Let's take a short break.
Let's take a short break.
We'll continue after lunch.
We'll continue after lunch.
午饭后我们继续。
We'll continue after lunch.
We'll continue after lunch.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
你能重复一下吗？
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
The meeting is over now.
The meeting is over now.
会议现在结束了。
The meeting is over now.
The meeting is over now.
I need to leave early.
I need to leave early.
我需要早点离开。
I need to leave early.
I need to leave early.
Can I take tomorrow off?
Can I take tomorrow off?
我明天能请假吗？
Can I take tomorrow off?
Can I take tomorrow off?
I'm not feeling well today.
I'm not feeling well today.
我今天不太舒服。
I'm not feeling well today.
I'm not feeling well today.
I'll work from home.
I'll work from home.
我会在家工作。
I'll work from home.
I'll work from home.
I have a doctor's appointment.
I have a doctor's appointment.
我约了医生。
I have a doctor's appointment.
I have a doctor's appointment.
When is the deadline?
When is the deadline?
截止日期是什么时候？
When is the deadline?
When is the deadline?
Let's meet this afternoon.
Let's meet this afternoon.
我们今天下午见面吧。
Let's meet this afternoon.
Let's meet this afternoon.
I'm running a bit late.
I'm running a bit late.
我有点迟到了。
I'm running a bit late.
I'm running a bit late.
Sorry, I missed the call.
Sorry, I missed the call.
抱歉，我没接到电话。
Sorry, I missed the call.
Sorry, I missed the call.
Thanks for understanding.
Thanks for understanding.
谢谢理解。
Thanks for understanding.
Thanks for understanding.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。